Hello, my name is Karen Hughes. In this module, we're going to discuss how to create an advanced report as part of the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization how-to video series. A report is basically generated via a wizard based on some best practice templates. There are over 50 plus different templates you can choose from, and all the content in it and the layout are customizable. They can be scheduled, on demand, or by exception. And there are 6 different types of formats that can be generated depending on what you want as the output. So when you're looking at your report, whether it's on the screen, via the dashboard, or in an email, it can be leveraged or presented in many ways. So let's take a look and see how we can generate an advanced report in the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization solution. Okay, so let's log on to the solution, navigate to the workspace, go to the domain that we want to create our report in, click on the Reports area, and click on Add Report. This is going to launch the report wizard where we're going to click Next and make sure to choose the advanced report based on an advanced report template. And then we're going to choose the template group we want to do. So this gives you some flexibility as far as what kinds of best practice templates do you want to use, and we group them into various categories. So perhaps we'll choose the cloud category because we want to create a cloud pool capacity advanced report based on BMC best practices for that particular grouping. And we get to now decide how often do you want to generate the report. So you can do monthly, daily, or you don't even have to schedule them in any periodic time frame. But we'll say this is a weekly report. We want to overwrite it if we constantly have the same data. What kind of format do you want the data in? So this gives us all the different options. And you also can then at this point decide, do you want to email it after, like every Monday or every Friday or any day? Do you want to have the report attached to the email? Do you want to just send the link? Or do you just want to leave it and have it generated to either the reports area or maybe the dashboard? So we click on Next, and we can make sure we have the correct name. And once we're finished, it generates the report in our Works area. If we click Run Report now, it's going to generate the report that we're creating. And now we can take a look and review the report we created in one of the various output styles that we generated. So let's just choose HTML. And here we can see the beginning or table of contents or the title page. And all of these logos and names can be customizable through the solution. We have an overview or table of contents of what the report's going to show, and then some information that automatically gets filled in based on what the template suggested and what data you have for that particular grouping is. And so you can see it's quite comprehensive report that tells you, CPU utilization, data store utilization, memory, etc. for your cloud pool capacity. So that is how you can quickly generate a report from an advanced template. At this point, you can then edit it or move it to a specific location or even publish it, but all those things will be done in separate modules. And that concludes this module in the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization How-To video series. I want to thank you for your time and look forward to you listening to other how-to videos as part of the series in the future. Thanks and have a great day.